Good morning, student. We will start electronic configuration. Let's begin today's topic, electronic configuration. We already discussed in chapter 2, atomic structure, how to write the electronic configuration. So now, what is the definition of the electronic configuration? The distribution of electron in two various orbital of an atom is called the electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Clear? The distribution of the electron in various orbitals in an atom is called electronic configuration. And electron is already discussed, characterized by a set of quantum number, which set? N, L, N and S. Okay? Electron is characterized by the set of 4 quantum number N, L, N and S. And principal quantum number define the main energy level. Okay, principal quantum number may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7. We already discussed periods are 7. N, L, N, S. And N is the principal quantum number which describe the energy cell. Energy level is increased, energy order is increased. Okay. Now, this is the main energy level. And S, P, D, F is subcell are called orbitals. S, P, D, F are subcells and which contain the orbitals. There are 2 orbitals, 3, 5 and 7. So we already discussed these points in previous chapter. Now there we have to write down the electronic configuration of elements in period. So in general, how to write the configuration? Period and time, number of orbitals available in the energy level and maximum number of electrons and elements. Okay, so you have to make a table like this. First, period, okay, and its time. Next is a number of atomic orbital available in the energy level. This is that is being filled. Number of energy, number of atomic orbitals okay, which being filled. Next, maximum number of electrons, total elements, and maximum number of electrons you can write. Next is elements. How many elements are present? You can write their name to learn. First period. Okay. First period is called the very short period, and here only first period, very short period. Okay. And number of atomic orbital is only 1 s, so it equal to 1. Okay. So how many electrons may be possible? 2 into 1 equal to 2. And how many elements are present there? Hydrogen and lithium. Clear? This is the first period. First period is called very short. Atomic orbital is only 1s, and total elements maximum number 2, and you can write the electronic configuration 1s1, 1s2. We already discussed. Now second period. Second period is called short period. What its type? Short. And how many orbitals are present? 2s and 2p. N is the principal quantum number. 2s and 2p. How many orbital? 1 and plus 3. There is 4. Clear? Now electrons are, each orbital contain only 2 electrons. 4 into 2 equal to 8. So how many elements are also present here? 8 elements. Lithium 3, 2, neon 10. Now next is third. Third is also again short period. Okay. So what is its orbitals? 2s, 2p, now 3, 3s, 3p, again 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and how many electrons are present? 4 into 2, 8. And how many elements? 8 elements from sodium to, sodium is 11, argon 18, argon. First period contain 2 elements, second period contain 8 elements, then again 8 elements, and which elements are present we will further discuss individual all periods and all groups. Now again write down fourth point, and which represent the fourth period. Okay. What is the fourth period? What's its name? Long period. Fourth is called the, in continuation of the table, fourth point is long period. Okay, fourth is called long period. Now total number of electron, total number of atomic orbital which will be filled, how many? 4s 3d, 4s 3d and 4p. Okay, so you have to learn the electronic configuration from structure of atom, then you can write this. 1 d orbital, 5 and 3. Okay, there are 9, and calculate the electrons, total number of electrons, 9 into 2, 18. This is the period, fourth period. Okay, correct this table. Fourth period, long period, and orbitals, number of orbitals are 4s, 3d and 4p. Clear? 1 plus 5 plus 3 and 9. 9 atomic orbitals are to be filled by the electron in increasing order of energy. How many electrons to be filled? Their maximum capacity 18. It means 18 elements are present here. So how many elements are present? Now elements are, how many elements? Potassium to krypton. There are also transition element here. Potassium is 19 to krypton 36. In this series, scandium 21 to zinc 30. These elements are also present there. These are called the transition element, D block element. Clear? Scandium to zinc. When last valence electron enters this orbital is known as the name. Okay. Now, fifth period. Fifth period is again long period. It's okay. And how many orbitals are present? Write down 5s, 4d, 5p. 5s, 4d and 5p. 5 plus 0 according to n plus l. S, P, D. What is the value of D? S is 0, P is 1 and D is 2. So 4 plus 2 and 5 plus 1. 6, 6 and 5. So this is the energy order. So 1 plus 5 plus 3 again 9. Okay. And number of element, number of maximum electron is 18 and number of elements is also 18. What is the word? How many elements? 18 elements. Clear? From rubidium to xenon. Okay? From rubidium 35 to xenon. It's a 54. Rubidium to xenon, but there 4d series is also included. In 5d in fourth period 3d series present. In fifth period 4d series is present, which is yttrium to cadmium, which is yttrium to cadmium. Yttrium 39 and its atomic number is 48. Now clear? And next is 6. 6 is again long period. Okay, 6 is long period, very long, and it contains period 6, number of atomic orbital 6s, 4f. Which orbital we have to fill? 5d and 6p. Okay, this orbital up to p, so we have to fill at last p orbital. This last element of the 6th period is p block element. Now add this 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3. So how many orbitals? 5, 3, 8 and 16. Okay. How many elements and how many electrons? 16 into 2 equal to 32. Okay. And now series is start from cesium to radon. Cesium to radon. Radon is 86. Okay. And cesium is 55. And learn, in this period 5d series also present and inner transition elements are also present. 4f series, there is 5d series also present, 4f series also present there. 4f series is called the inner transition element. Okay, and 5d series is called transition element. Don't be worried, we will discuss in further classes in detail. So 5d is only short summary. Inner transition element 4f series, then 5f series again. 5d series is d block element, transition element. Now cesium to radon 5D series is here. Hafnium, okay, hafnium and lanthanum is also present there. Hafnium, lanthanum to Hg, mercury. Lanthanum, okay, the atomic number of lanthanum is 57, and then hafnium atomic number is 71 to 80. 71 to hafnium, Hg 80. Clear? This is the 4D series and 5D series. And cerium to lutetium. Cerium 58 to lutetium 71 is called lanthanoid series, 4F series. Clear? In 6th period, there are 32 elements. 14 elements are lanthanoid there. Okay? 10 elements are transition element. So, lanthanum and hafnium to Hg. Lanthanum is prototype of lanthanoids. So, it is called the lanthanide. Cerium to lutetium is 4F series and inner transition series. And this is 5D series, transition element series, inner transition element series, 4F series, lanthanoid series. Clear? And last period is 7. Last period is 7 period. So how many orbitals are there? Again write down. How many orbitals? Okay, you have to fill 6s, 4f, okay, 5d and 6p. Total 1 plus how many orbitals? 1f, 7 plus 5 plus 3, again 16, and number of electrons are also 32. Elements are 32, and there is also inner transition elements also present. Inner transition element also present. Now incomplete. Okay, 7 period is also incomplete. Some elements are not discovered yet, and this is the incomplete, and it start for francium after cesium. Okay, francium 87 to ognesium. We already discussed 118 ognesium. Okay, and here also after actinide is 89, thorium 92, lawrencium 103 are inner transition element. These are called 5F series and also called actinoids. Okay, last period is 7, which is incomplete period. Okay, there are 32 elements. Maximum capacity of electrons is 32. Orbitals, filling orbitals are 4s, 4f, 5d, 6p. So we have to fill these orbitals according to n plus l rule, according to Pauli exclusion principle, Ohm's rule. Okay, now these are contain 5F series. 5F series means inner transition element. Before transition element, so it's called inner transition element, and these are also called actinoid series. It's clear to you? Now it's enough for today class. Thank you.